Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you my recipe for an easy lasagna that you can make for your mom this Mother's Day. So to make this, we're starting with a skillet on medium heat, and I'm going in with some nariyal coconut oil. Next, I'm going in with some chopped pimento peppers, some carrots and celery, salt to taste, and we're going to cook this until the carrot and celery is tender. Once it's tender, remove it and place it into a bowl. Allow it to cool down. We'll process this off camera. To that same pot, I'm going in with some chopped onions. And I'm just going to allow this to cook until it's translucent. Next, I'm going in with some minced garlic and our minced chicken. You could also use minced turkey or minced beef if you like. Break that up. Add salt and black pepper to taste. And then you're going to mix this and continue to cook until it's browned properly. You want to break it up as fine as possible. Next, I'm going in with some tomato paste and I'm going to mix that in. Allow that to cook out for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to go in with some tomato and basil pasta sauce or your favorite pasta sauce. Mix that sauce into the meat. If you wanted to add some Parmesan cheese to this, you can. I'm going in with some chicken stock. And if you wanted to hide some veggies in here, you can hide some eggplant. It's perfect in here for the kids. Go in with 2 bay leaves and your minced vegetables that we cooked earlier. You want to cook this down for about 10 minutes, after which you'll taste and adjust your salt and then set it aside. The next step would be to prepare the pasta. So to a pot of salted water, I'm going to go in with my lasagna sheets, and I like doing this like this. We're going to boil it until it's al dente, and once it gets there, we'll drain it and set it aside. You don't want to boil it too much because it will continue to cook when you place it in the oven. So place 1 layer of the lasagna sheets at the bottom of your baking dish and then sprinkle on some cheese. Go in with a layer of that marinara or meat sauce. Spread it out evenly. Add some more cheese and another layer of that lasagna. And you're going to repeat this until you finish with lasagna on the top, and then we'll sprinkle with some more cheese again, and I'm going to sprinkle some dried parsley also on this just to add a little more color to the lasagna. And we're going to cover this with foil and place it into our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes, after which we'll take the foil off and return it to the oven so that it can brown. All you have to do is allow this to cool down completely before slicing into it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to put the baigan or melongene in the sauce while it's cooking to hide those veggies in there for the kids. Thank you all so much. Leave me your comments down below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.